Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to come out today and film something, and I had no idea what to film, and it got me thinking, like, what is the motivation? You know, what makes us get out and grab a camera and sort of go off and film everything? And then I took one look out of my window, and then I realised that all of this is my motivation. See, for me, that's what it takes. I just look out of the window and I see the sun, I see the blue skies, I see the sea, and I just want to grab my camera and get out there. It really is as simple as that for me. And I think, you know, I can sit there for so long and sort of try and think of ideas of stuff to film and try and come up with really creative things, but actually I just grab a camera and go. That's all I need to do. That's my motivation. I see some nice weather, I see beautiful scenery in this beautiful place that I live, and that's it, I'm off. So remember guys, just get out there, grab your camera, go and film the world, and while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? I'll see you later guys.